Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a custom order, and I'm going to be knitting her a sweater, and we went through the yarn, and the yarn looks like it's discontinued. So I have found this yarn. This is merino wool, extra fine. It's super soft, and this is 100% silk. So these are really thin yarn. I tried to knit, but unfortunately, especially the silk is so thin. So what I thought, I started to knit. Let me just put these down. I started to knit them, but they kept on getting tangled. Oh, this is another headache, right? So what I did, the customer paid me to purchase the pattern, and I cast on one knit, one purl. So this is going to be the rib, but it kept on getting tangled. Here's the yarn. I'm knitting with a 3.5 millimeter knitting needle. This is just to give you some info, what you can do. Like when you buy yarns like this on a cone, what you receive is super thin yarn. So what I thought was, I started to knit. I do have a tutorial on how to 3-ply, and I'm using that technique. That's what I did. The light gray merino wool, I did 3-ply. And then I added the 2 strands of silk, and this is what it's giving me. It's really hard to see, but so far I just knitted a couple of rows. I did do a swatch, and my customer liked it, so I started. But the thing is, it got tangled, and I noticed that it's going to be wasted. So the best way is to spin. So I pulled up my Ashford spinning wheel. So what I'm doing is see how it gets tangled so easily even when spinning. So what I'm doing is I am spinning and making this to a yarn. Can you see? Even this is really light. So I'm trying to match the yarn that has been used on the sweater. And I'm gonna I opened my Ravelry. Okay, the pattern is, you have to buy a book. So I bought it on Ravelry. I paid, customer paid, she sent me the money, like $20. But there are so hidden instructions, I noticed. That's another thing. So I'm happy that, she said, let's buy the pattern just to be on the safe side, right? So I'm happy that she did that, because there are lots of hidden instructions. And usually what I do is I look at the sweater and I start knit it. I can do it that way too, but she wanted it to be perfect, right? So to be perfect, she bought the pattern, I bought the pattern, she paid me to buy the pattern. See how it gets tangled? If you can find the yarn, that would be great, but it's really hard to find. So I thought this would be easy to make the yarn, just merino wool, super fine merino wool, and add the silk into it. It's gray, but yeah, there's lots of tangling happening. So what I'm doing is I'm just spinning this. That's all I'm doing, nothing different. Just wanted to share you this. Okay, before I do that, let me fix this tangle. So it's going to be cables. That's what the pattern is, and it is a oversized sweater. So like there's 248 stitches for her size. That's a lot. And then what you do is the pattern, it's knit around. So I am using what the pattern is telling me to do. So it's going to be done in, seamless up to the underarm, and a lot of exercise for sure. So Just gonna fix this. So I'll give you a peek on the pattern. You can go and check it on Ravelry. But again, it's the pattern is like $20 to knit the pattern. Okay, here we go. I fixed it. So what I'm doing is I'm just holding like this with the strands, and I am spinning it, not too tight because I don't want to give too much spin, because it's already thread, right? I'm just putting it together so it won't split. Well, it's still gonna split, but the thing is, this would be way easy for me to knit. And it's still cold outside to do this outdoor. Usually I do my spinning outdoor, but unfortunately it was like 4 degrees today plus. Yeah, we're on the pluses so far. So I am trying not to do any tangles, and I'm fixing it. Okay, here's extra. So what I'll do is I'll grab the silk and I will pull it from here. Yeah, if you don't have a spinning wheel, you can't do this technique. What you can do is you can grab the yarn and start knitting. But again, it's a little bit difficult because the yarn is very thin. And then it gets knots a lot. Okay, so what I do is I do chains. That's what I do. And then when I do the chain, it gives me the 3-ply. And I already have a separate video for this. So what I do is I just pull, pull, pull. And when I'm pulling, automatically I get 3 strands. Can you see? Like 3. And I pull the 2 silk. So I have so thin, can't even see it. Sometimes I think, did it break? Is 1 strand missing? But no, it's not. It's there. See, the silk is so thin. So the silk is a total of 200 grams, and the merino wool is 400. I'm hoping that it's going to be enough to knit a large size, oversized actually, sweater. If we don't have enough, I can go and order, because I'm really happy with the Cozy Wool. She's based in Canada, Ontario. So yeah, I've been buying from her and I can find whatever yarn that I need. I don't have to wait for weeks for the seller to ship it. She ships it ASAP. And I would highly recommend her. I started when she was new, and oh well, she's getting popular. So she has an Etsy shop, she has her own website, and she has her Instagram page. She sells everything, whichever you're looking for. As you guys know, I've been buying yarn from all over the world. Italy, Denmark, Turkey, and shipping is always expensive, and then plus we pay custom fee. Anytime we pass $20, if we're lucky, we don't get charged, but usually we do. So this is all I'm doing. As you can see, here are the strands. It looks like 5 strands to create this. I would say this is a 2/8 light DK maybe that I'm creating. Okay, let's go to the pattern. Okay, I'm just gonna move my spinning wheel, and then here is the pattern. Okay. So the pattern is called, I don't know how to pronounce this, maybe Delphinus or Tixler. Tixler is the designer. And It's oversized, beautiful Aran sweater, crew neck. Very nice. If you can see, this is what I'm trying to create. This knit look. As you can see, there is cables, honeycomb was it? Yeah. Let me see if I can. Here, you can see it better. Here's the cable, here's the honeycomb, and I am right here. I'm going to do this double. That's why I did I can't remember what's it called. I did the chain and I picked up stitches. It's already on YouTube. But the yarn, unfortunately, Ocean by Sea Halo and Ocean by Sea Lark, they're discontinued. Even this was 5 years ago. That's the thing, you can't find what you are looking for. And what you do is you try to make your own. Yeah, so this is what I'm up to, and I just wanted to share this with you. Okay, so let me just come back to my spinning wheel. Oh, here we are. Just pull this on the rug, and so it's really thin, as you can see. See how thin it is? So I am creating this yarn, and then I will be knitting. It's really soft. Just can't believe how beautiful it's becoming. So I just can't wait. So stay tuned. I will be sharing shorts. Unfortunately, I can't do the tutorial because it's a paid pattern. But if you have any questions, just write them on the comments. I'm sure someone can help you. Or you can message me. I will try to help you if you can write it on the description, on the comment section, so I can reply to you. But I'm so excited to make this, to knit up this sweater. And first I have to make the yarn, right? But I think the gray, I even went and bought one for myself from Temu. Stay tuned. I'm going to do well, not a review, but I've been buying yarn from Temu, so I will make a video, and we'll go from there. Yeah, because I noticed I bought a merino wool from Temu. They're not that cheap, but at least we don't have to pay $25, $30 for shipping. Like for some of the listings you see, the shipping fee is crazy. So at least that will save up some time. And this is what I do. So it's like chaining, right? So twist it so badly here. So I'm going to first I need to grab this. Here we go. A lot of time consuming. And this is what I'm up to. Yeah, it's fun though. I'm really enjoying it. You guys take care, and I will see you on my next video. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.